Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to play along with my Wild Soul kit. It is from Color Rush Studios and I want to create a layout. Guys, this paper right here, I seriously, I think I could use it on every layout. It's called Thinking of You. It's from Pink Paislee Joyful Notes. All the papers in the kit this month are from this collection. And guys, look at these exclusives that are part of the add-ons. There's Nomies. There are Nomies. I'm totally going to have fun with my acrylic paint pens and decorate them once I get a little further with this. Okay, now this, y'all, this acrylic piece, it is like the perfect coral tone. So I definitely want to use that. It reads Bloom Grow. And I thought that that might be quite fab for this photo of my husband and his garden. I mean, look at the garden. Yeah. Oh, and guys, look at, can you see that? There's deer in the background in the fields behind our house. How funny is that? Like, cue the deer. I didn't even see that before. That's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna grab a scrap of white cardstock and mat this so that it pops just a little bit more. It'll bring out my fancy white pens. Perfect. So I know I wanna use those things, guys. I don't even know what I wanna do yet. I just know certain things I want to use. This piece right here, this Forever Yours piece, just seems so perfect for gardening because all of these flowers that start coming up, right? We've got tomatoes, cucumbers. There's little yellow flowers that start all of these different things in the garden. So I'm like, you know what? Totally makes sense, at least in my gardening brain, right? All right, so like I said, I want to go ahead and do something with that. Now, this is a situation where I'm like, do I just totally go for it and start tearing? I don't tend to walk away from the challenges that are popped in my head by myself. I'm just looking at some of my papers. Y'all, look at this. Look at this wreath right here. It's like, do I want a fussy cut? I want to do all of the things. Okay. You know what I'm going to do first? This piece here. Absolutely stunning piece of paper. Let's just get our terzies on. I used it in my last layout because I thought it was so freaking pretty. Okay, so let's say we have our terzies on. Love that. But you know what I also love? Look at this. Look at this with that. Now, this is too dramatic, this piece here. You guys, oh, I love that. Okay, well, that's happening. There's not enough on this one. So I do have more of that navy. I just like to, use what I have first. Let me go ahead and do another tear. None of my tears are like, yeah. I don't know. Can you tear perfectly? I don't know. I don't do that badly if I use a ruler to do a tear. That can give you just a little bit more grace, but I'm not worried about it. All right, let me go ahead and cut this piece, and I will apparently do a band design because that's what just started happening. So here's all of the little floral bits. And guys, I am fully aware that the garden does not make all of these colors. Okay, well, we do get tomatoes that color. No pink, although my floral, oh my gosh, my zinnias get huge and they're just glorious. Anyway, kind of like the idea that his photo would be there. We could do, how do I want to do that? Because this has to show like really well. So maybe on like the light blue and the navy, this has to, and yes, guys, I know the branding strip's there and it drives people crazy if you don't get that cut off post haste. So we'll go ahead, calm down, everyone. It's fine. I'm going to go ahead and attach these goodies down. I know, guys, I usually don't scrap in the evening and we're kind of coming up on a little later in the day. So sorry, lighting could be better, but a girl has to craft. All right, so I want to paint up my Nomies, totally pulling in these colors. I think that would be super great. Like one can have a coral hat, one can have a navy hat, and one can have like a pink hat. That would be hilarious. Okay. What else? What else should we discuss? Oh, and my husband has really blue eyes, so the blue, fully reminds me of him all of the time. Okay. Wild Soul does not work for this one, but isn't that cute? That's the name of this kit. So cute. So what I'm going to probably do after I get those pieces down, I like the idea of having lots of leafy bits, like a piece like this behind the photo. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Same with this. Lots of this kind of olivey pea green tone. Guys, I need to get these pieces down and stop decorating. I just decided I want a floral strip going that way. So we're going to have like a T design. Like the letter T, not like T-E-A. You know. Let me get rid of that. Okay. I'm going to get these pieces down. I'm going to matte that in bright white. Ooh, yep, I just had another executive decision. Oh, I've got this, right? Where's? Okay. This side has this beautiful mulberry color. I'm going to do bright white, then the mulberry. And then we'll have like a zillion patterns and it'll make my heart sing. So let me get those pieces down and I'll meet you right back here. Hey guys, I thought I would do a quick check-in with you. I've got all of these pieces down, not my nomies. Got my florals kind of going in a nice little direction there. Love, love, love the addition of the acrylics now. Now, I want my nomies to sit somewhere, right? So I was thinking, might be cute, maybe do a little fishtail banner, and I'll give it a nice little scuff, I think. And then I can have my little nomies sitting right on top of the area where it reads bloom. I thought that would be super cute. And like I said, I still have to, decorate them up, but I just thought I would show you where we are. And guys, the way I decorate sorry, I got so excited doing my fishtail banner. The way I decorate my wood pieces is I do use acrylic markers. And one of the things that's, I gotta step this up. One of the things that's kind of nice to use with acrylic markers, like if you're sitting there using them, right? And the edges just look a little bit sharp. You can have just a dot of water and a skinny little paintbrush and, just blend them a little bit. It works great. And it gives it just a little bit more of a smooth, artsy vibe. Cute. So I'm going to go ahead, pop this on, color up my nomies. Guys, we'll probably only have to do a couple more little zhuzhes and we'll be done. All right, my friends, let's show you where we are with this. I have got my little nomies attached down. I love these butterflies that we have in our kit. And I was like, where should I put it? I think it would be great on this floral piece. I grabbed this little bit here. This is part of the frazzles and I love them cut apart. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that down. And then these sweet little daisies are from, is it from the kit? I think they're in the kit. I don't know if they're in the add-on, but I'm going to go ahead and add them. But guys, that will be it for my layout. Loved the acrylic piece. I think it made it amazing. And then, oh, what else did I add? Do you see right here? The shiny and the shiny there. I just wanted just a bit more zhuzh in the middle. So I just used a clear glaze and voila. So guys, I will have down below Color Rush's website so you can get your hands on this kit. And also, of course, come to our, sorry, I got excited. Come to our Facebook group. Go ahead and jump into the sketch challenge. My layout number 1 from this month was for the sketch. See what other people are creating with these kits. Check out the other subbies. Check out the other design team. And guys, oh, and if you create layouts with this kit, go ahead and tag us on Instagram so everybody can see what you guys are up to. So that's what I have. I'll have a few still shots to follow, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, guys.